Hi guys, this video is going to be about ICT Mentorship 2022 model, also known as the ATM Machine. If you're finding ICT concepts difficult, don't worry, we've got you. Learn to trade ICT concepts faster and easier. So open your TradingView chart and set the time to New York Open. Then mark out the 8:30 AM to 12 PM on a 15-minute chart, which I'm going to do now. Then mark out any 15-minute swing lows which form prior to 8:30. Now you wait for price to take out one of these 15-minute lows. It could be any one. So as you can see, price took out this 15-minute low and this 15-minute low on this 9:45 candle. So I'll just mark this candle out. We'll remove this swing low and this level here. Once this 15-minute low has been taken out, we drop down into a 1-minute chart and wait for a break in market structure with a fair value gap. So as you can see, there's a short-term high here. Price trades through it, forms two fair value gaps. And now we wait for price to return and we enter once price returns back into one of these fair value gaps. Now, if there are two fair value gaps, then you can pyramid in your position. Enter half your position on the higher fair value gap and half on the lower fair value gap. Place your stop loss below the most recent 1-minute swing low that has just formed. Our terminus is up here. Your target for first profit is 50% of the previous price swing, which normally gives you a nice 1-to-1 risk to reward. Look for a fair value gap around the 50% mark. So we mark out the high and the low using our Fibonacci. If I move this line out of the way, we can see there's a fair value gap embedded around the 50% mark or at the 50% mark. If you use our long position risk to reward, entering at the lower fair value gap, placing our stop loss below the most recent swing low on the 1-minute chart and targeting 1-to-1. You can see it fits in nicely with this fair value gap. Now at this position, at this point, we want to take off 50 to 75% of our position and move our stop loss to break even. Once that's done, you want to leave the rest of the position, your remainder, which is depending on how much you took off, which is 50% or 25% left, you want to leave it to run for the high. And that's all you need, guys. This happens at least once a week. Good luck and good trading.